WPP Verizon 101, Verizon Mobile Protection for Business. WPP Verizon is a device protection option that covers replacement or repair of a device that is lost, stolen, or damaged. Some of the features of WPP Verizon are, unlimited number of claims for single device plans, $0 deductible for cracked glass repair, including screen and back glass, $3,000 per claim limit, same-day delivery and setup for insurance replacements. Some of the pro tips for using WPP Verizon are, enroll your device within 30 days of activation or upgrade, file a claim online or by phone as soon as possible after an incident, keep your device in good condition and avoid unauthorized modifications, back up your data regularly and wipe your device before sending it for repair or replacement. Some of the known issues and fixes for WPP Verizon are, if you have trouble enrolling your device, make sure it is compatible with WPP Verizon and not already enrolled in another device protection option. If you have trouble filing a claim, make sure you have all the required information and documents, such as proof of purchase, proof of loss or damage, and device serial number. If you have trouble receiving your replacement device, make sure you have provided a valid shipping address and contact number, and track your shipment online or by phone. If you have trouble activating your replacement device, make sure you follow the instructions provided with the device, and contact Verizon customer service if you need further assistance. Learn more. 1. Wireless phone protection FAQs. Verizon customer support. https://www.verizon.com/support